Welcome to Monkey Physics IIT JEE NEET Foundations.
Yeah. So let us see the next example. An object is thrown up with a speed of 45 meters per second from the ground. They are asking us find distance moved by object in 5th second. And this is the question. So distance moved by the object in the 5th second. Now we all know. So first, how much time it takes to reach the maximum height, and that is nothing but time of ascent. Now we want to calculate time of ascent is equivalent to u by g. What is u? 45. What is g? 10. So time of ascent is equivalent to 4.5 seconds. So now why should we calculate time of ascent? And this is the time at which velocity is equivalent to 0. So because we have to find based on the previous sessions, we should be clear about first for a given instant of time, first we should know at what time the velocity is 0. If the velocity is equivalent to 0 for a particular instant of time, if that time is less than the given time, then definitely the body is going to change its direction. So if change its direction means we should not use the displacement formula, right? So displacement formula is applicable only when the body continues to move in a single direction without change its direction of motion. But here it clearly indicates that the velocity is 0 at 4.5 seconds, but they are asking us the distance moved in the 5th second. Now, how can we see this problem? It's a 45 meters per second. Time taken to reach maximum height is 4.5 seconds. Now, in next 0.5 second, that is half second, how much depth it falls? And look at here somewhere here 4 seconds. Now half second how much it goes up, half second how much it falls. Both are equal, isn't it? Now first it is easier to consider how much depth it falls in half second. So for while returning its initial velocity we can take it as 0, or it's simply an object is dropped from some height. Now depth fallen in half second from the top. If you want to calculate this, use S is equivalent to half gt square, because initial velocity for the return, backward journey is equivalent to 0. So depth fallen half into 10 into half square. So h is equivalent to, it's a 5 into 1 by 4. So 5 into 1 by 4, 1.25 meters. Now the depth fall in a half second is 1.25 meters. So this is the time of starting time of return journey. It is same as equivalent to the ending time of the upward journey. So in the same half second, how much height it goes? Same. So what is the total distance? So total distance is nothing but 1.25 plus 1.25. This is last half second in the upward direction, and this is the first half second in the downward direction. So this is half second, total will give you 1 second, and total 1 second after 4 seconds is nothing but this is the distance in the 5th second. So it is nothing but 2.5 meters in 5th second. 2.5 meters in 5th second. Thank you.